Smartphones are essential to our daily lives, but small mistakes, like ignoring updates or charging the wrong way, can slowly kill your phone's performance, security, and lifespan. In this video, we'll uncover the most common smartphone habits that could cost you, and how to prevent them so your device stays fast, secure, and long-lasting. Delaying or skipping software updates is one of the biggest risks you can take with your smartphone. These updates don't just bring new features, they patch security vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. Enable automatic updates for your phone and apps. Regularly check for updates manually if auto update is turned off. Keep your system and security patches up to date to defend against new threats. Letting your battery drain to 0% or charging to 100% constantly. While it seems harmless, letting your phone battery completely drain or frequently charging it to 100% can shorten its lifespan. Modern lithium-ion batteries are not meant to operate at extremes. Keep your battery level between 20% and 80% when possible. Avoid overnight charging to prevent prolonged exposure to 100% levels. Use built-in battery health features, like optimized charging, on iPhones, if available. Downloading apps from untrusted sources. Third-party app stores or suspicious websites often host apps embedded with malware, spyware, or ransomware. One wrong download can lead to stolen data, unauthorized access, or even financial loss. Only download apps from official stores like Google Play or Apple App Store. Check app reviews, developer credibility, and permissions requested. Install antivirus or malware scanners for added protection. Not using a case or screen protector. Your smartphone is vulnerable to drops, scratches, and accidental impacts. Repairing or replacing a damaged phone can be expensive and often avoidable. Use a durable case that offers drop protection. Apply a tempered glass screen protector to avoid cracks and scratches. Even a minor fall can cost you hundreds, better to be safe than sorry. Using public Wi-Fi without any protection. Public Wi-Fi networks may seem convenient, but they're often unsecured and easy to exploit. Cybercriminals can intercept data transmitted over public networks, including passwords, banking info, or personal messages. Avoid entering sensitive information like passwords or card details on public networks. Use a VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your internet traffic. Consider using your mobile data or a personal hotspot for more security. Cluttering your phone with unnecessary apps and files. Many users download apps, take countless photos, and forget to clean up their storage. This clutter doesn't just eat up space, it can cause your phone to lag, apps to crash, and battery to drain faster due to background activity. Overloaded storage also makes it harder to back up or find important files. Delete apps you haven't used in the last 30 days. Move old photos and videos to cloud storage or an external drive. Use built-in tools like Device Care, Android, or iPhone Storage Manager to clear cache and junk files. Using the wrong charger or cheap accessories. Not all charging cables and power adapters are safe. Cheap, uncertified chargers can overheat your phone, damage the charging port, or degrade the battery. In some cases, they've even caused fires or explosions. Always use original or certified chargers from trusted brands. Look for chargers with safety certifications. Avoid using damaged cables or chargers with exposed wires. Unplug your charger when not in use to reduce risk of electrical hazards. In addition, use strong, unique passwords for all accounts, and enable biometric security like fingerprint or Face ID. Back up your data regularly, use iCloud, Google Drive, or an external hard drive. Review app permissions and remove apps that track more than they should. Enable Find My iPhone or Find My Device so you can track or erase your phone if lost or stolen. Set a reminder every month to perform a quick phone health check. Avoiding these common mistakes doesn't take much effort, but it can save you time, money, and frustration in the long run.